Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome back to Quranic Faith Seerah series. Today we continue our journey into the Seerah by exploring the birth and early life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The family lineage of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born into the noble tribe of Quraysh, descendants of Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail, peace be upon them. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib was a respected leader of Makkah, known for his wisdom and generosity. This noble lineage was a part of Allah's divine plan to prepare the Prophet, peace be upon him, for his mission, ensuring they came from a family respected among the Arabs. The heir of Elephant. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in the year of Elephant 570 CE. The year when Abraha attempted to destroy the Kaaba with his army of elephant. Allah protected the Kaaba, sending flocks of birds to defeat Abraha's army, showing his power to protect his scared house. This event was a sign of the coming of someone who would restore the Kaaba's sanctity. The blessed birth. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born on Monday, the 12th of Rabiul Awwal, according to the many scholars, in Makkah. His father Abdullah has passed away before his birth, and his mother Amina named his Muhammad, meaning the praised one. At birth, he was already chosen and protected by Allah with light and blessings surrounding his early days. The care of his mother and grandfather. His mother Amina took care of him until he was 6 years old, when she passed away while returning from Medina. After her death, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib took him under his care with great love and care, recognizing the special qualities in young Muhammad, peace be upon him. The care of his uncle Abu Talib. After the death of Abdul Muttalib, when the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was 8 years old, his uncle Abu Talib took responsibility for him. Abu Talib loved him deeply and protected him throughout his youth, despite being financially poor. The Prophet's early qualities. Even as a child, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known for his honesty, trustworthiness, and good character. People of Makkah would call him Al-Amin, the trustworthy, and as Sadiq, the truthful, the protection of Allah. Throughout the childhood, Allah protected him from the corrupt practices of the society around him. He never participated in idol worship, bad gathering, or immoral acts, preserving his purity for the mission ahead. Lessons for us. From the birth and early life of the Prophet, peace be upon him, we learn Allah prepared his chosen one with special care. Good character and honesty are foundation for a successful life. Cries like losing parents at young age did not stop him. Instead, they built strength and reliance on Allah. Even in a corrupt society, one can live with purity if connected to Allah. Dear brothers and sisters, learning about the early life of the Prophet, peace be upon him, help us appreciate the mercy and the wisdom of Allah in preparing the final messenger for humanity. May Allah fill our hearts with love for the Prophet, peace be upon him, and help us to follow his path in truth and sincerity. Inshallah, in our next episode, we will explore the youth and early adulthood of Prophet, peace be upon him, before prophethood, including his honest trade, practices, marriage to Khadija Rahmatullah, and the signs leading to his mission. If you found this beneficial, please like, share and subscribe to Quranic Faith so we can continue this blessed Seerah journey together. Jazakallah khair.